My cats are eating my sandwich. Who says they do not come first? Even though their big bag of cat food's over there. I'm starving. But little guy wants to gnaw this nasty sandwich that came from Isaiah 58. I don't know where it came from. They give you chips, some cookies, and a sandwich. Look at Piggy. See how fat he is? Look at him. See how fat she is? She's like, hey, boys don't rule. Come on, Moo. Little guy, I'm gonna kick you into outer space in a minute. Move! And she says, no, I don't want it. I'm not gonna give you little baby bites, you lifestyle of the rich and infamous. She's famous. I'm eating. Bad hair day. I don't give a fuck. I don't live on people. I live on food. Screw people. They can get screwed in their bunghole. So, oh yeah, that's my piss bucket. Again, you get to see it. I apologize. You want it? Hey. He said, I'll eat the whole motherfucker, man. So I rock and roll.